Duol mandiko jopuonj tich e pacho ka koro wacho ni piny owacho biro manyo yo mar tieko midhiero mar jopuonje mag junior secondary. Nancy Nyasharia ma en jata tije e duol no wacho ni pod rem nitie malach. Jopuonj junior secondary 35,500 kende ema gisendiko nyaka gie sani. Masharia bende wacho ni gibiro chwalo e ngas mar puonjo junior secondary jopuonj mag skunde mag primary manigi rang'iny mag degree e yo achiel mar tieko midhiero no.
I'm here representing.
And all protocols will start. My name is TSC.
So KCD, I believe that is.
Going forward, of course, the TSC will be recruiting teachers as soon as we get the funding. As we have done, I think, 14,733 teachers. And what we did, there is no county that will be left with it without teachers. And that's why we have not done all of them, because what we did is map them so that if we are taking 14 from this county, we map them against the next county so that we again take 14 from that county and take them to where we have removed this. So we did mapping, and so there is no reason that one county should suffer more than, and that's why we couldn't do all of them at once.